Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video let's discuss some more questions related to average. So before starting this video, make sure that you have watched day 1 and day 2 video of average. Without late, let's start the video. Here's the 13th question. Roshan bought 5 pants at rupees 25 each, 10 shirts at rupees 50 each and 15 ties at rupees 35 each. Find the average price of all the articles. Here, Roshan bought 5 pants at rupees 25 each. It means he bought one pant which cost 25. Just one pant cost rupees 25 and one shirt cost 50 and one tie cost rupees 35. Here the question is to find the price of all the articles. Okay, if one pant is equals to 25 rupees, then 5 pants 25 into 5, that is 125. If one shirt is equals to 50 rupees, then 10 shirts 500, 10 into 50 is 500, and then one tie is equals to 35 rupees, then 15 ties is equals to 15 into 35, that is 525. Here we got the sum of costs. 5 pants cost 125, 10 shirts cost 500 and 15 ties cost 525. Now, what is average? Sum of observations by total number of observations. Here we got the sum of costs, that is 125 plus 500 plus 525. Now, number of observations, that is total 5, 10, 15. He got 5 pants, 10 shirts and 15 ties. So 5 plus 10 plus 15. When I sum this, I will get 1150. 5 plus 10 plus 15 is 30. When I divide it, I will get 38.33, option A. 14th question. The average age of 30 girls is 13 years and the average of first 18 girls is 15 years. Find out the average age of remaining 12 girls. Here the average age of 30 girls is given. Total 30 girls and their average age is 13 years. When I multiply total number of girls to average, what I will get? I will get the sum of the ages of 30 students, right? 30 into 13, that is 390 years. Total, this we got. Sum of ages, right? Now, another, the average of first 18 girls. Here first 18 girls are 30. In 30, first 18 girls average is also given, that is 15. When I multiply 18 into 15, I will get 270. This 270 is the sum of the total age of 18 girls. Here the question is to find the average age of remaining 12 girls. When I subtract the sum of 30 girls age by 18 girls age, 30 minus 18 is 12, right? The sum of 30 girls age is 390 minus 270. 390 minus 270 is 120. 120 is the sum of the age of remaining 12 girls. But here question is to find the average age of remaining 12 girls. What is average? The sum of observations by total number of observations. Here we got sum of observation. Total number of observation are 12 girls. So divide it by 12. then 10. What is the average of 12 girls? 10. Option B. 15th question. The average weight of a class of 15 boys and 10 girls is 38.4 kg. If the average weight of the boys is 40 kg, then what is the average weight of the girls? Here the average weight of total 15 boys and 10 girls is given. So total 25 students, 15 plus 10, 25 students average weight is 38.4. Here I want sum. What I need to do? I need to multiply total number of students to their average age. When I multiply 38.4 into 25, I will get 960. Try it yourself. 960. And in the 25 students, we know the strength of boys, right? 15 students are boys. Here the average weight of boys is also given, that is 40. To know the sum of the age of boys, only boys, I need to multiply 15 into 40, right? So 15 into 40 is 600. Now here the question is to find the average weight of the girls. Here we have total students age sum, and I have total boys age sum. When I subtract total number of students age by total number of boys age, I will get girls total sum, right? 960 minus 600, that is 360. This 360 is the sum of the age of 10 girls. Here the question is to find the average weight of the girls. What is average? The sum of observations by total number of observation. Here we have the sum of observation, that is sum of age. Now to know average, to get the average, I need to divide the sum by total number of students girls. 10 girls are there, right? So 0 0 get cancelled. 36 is the average weight of girls. Option C. 16th one. A car travels certain distance from town A to town B at a speed of 42 km per hour, and from town B to town A at a speed of 48 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? Option A 45 km per hour, option B 46 km per hour, option C 44, option D 48, and option E is none of this. So here the question is, a car is traveling from A to B. Okay, from A to B, a car is traveling. From A, it is traveling at a speed of 42 km per hour from A to B, and on the on journey it is traveling at a speed of 42 km per hour, and in the return journey from B to A it is traveling at a speed of 48 km per hour. See here, the distance is same, right? From A to B and B to A, distance is same. Whenever you see the question, the distance is same and the ongoing speed and return journey speed is given and asked to find the average speed of the car, then we have the formula average speed is equals to 2AB by A plus B. Here A is 42 km per hour and B is 48 km per hour. Okay, substitute 42, 48, 42 plus 48. When you solve, you will get 44.8 km per hour, but approximate 44 you should take. Option C is correct. 17th question. The average age of mother and her 6 children is 12 years, which is reduced by 5 years if the age of the mother is excluded. How old is mother? How old is the mother? Option A 40 years, option B 42 years, option C 48, option D 50 years. Here the question is to find the age of mother. What is given in the question? Here the age of mother and her 6 children. Total 7 members, right? 6 children plus 1 mother, total 7 members. So the average age of 7 members in a family is given, that is 12 years. 12 into 7. Why I multiplied 12 into 7? Because to know the sum of the age of 7 members in a family, right? 84. The sum of the age of 7 members of a family is 84. Now, when a mother is excluded from the family of 7 members, when mother is excluded, how many members are remaining? 6, right? When mother is excluded, 6 children are remaining, right? Then the average is reduced by 5 years. Here in the question, when the family consists of 7 members, the average was 12 years. When mother is excluded from the family, the average is reduced by 5 years. It means 12 minus 5. Average is reduced by 5 years. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 7 6 are 42. This 42 is the sum of the age of 6 members of a family, that is 6 children. Now, to know the age of the mother, I need to subtract the total age of the family with 7 members by the total age of the family when it consists of 6 members. 84 minus 42. 84 minus 42, 42 years. So mother age is 42 years. So simple, right? Then 18th question. The average height of 25 boys is 1.4 meter. When 5 boys leave the group, then the average height increases by 0.15 meter. What is the average height of the boys who leave? Okay. Option A 0.8 meter, option B 0.9 meter, option C 0.95 meter, and option D 1.05 meter. The average age of 25 boys is given, that is 1.4. When I multiply 25 by 1.4, I will get the sum of height of 25 boys, right? 25 into 1.4 is 350, and here point is there, so 35. And when 5 boys leave the group, 5 boys in 25 boys, 5 boys leave the group, that means remaining 20 boys. Then the average height increases by 0.15 meter. Here increases by 0.15 meter means I need to add the given average to 0.15. Then I will get 1.15. Here our new average when 5 boys leave the group increases by 0.15 meter, that is total average when 20 boys are there, that is 1.55. When I multiply 1.55 into 20, I will get 31. Okay, this is the sum of height when 20 boys are in group, and this is the sum of total height when 25 boys are in the group. To know the total height of 5 boys who left the group, I need to subtract 35 minus 31. I will get 4. How many boys left the group? Here 4 is the sum of height of 5 boys who left the group, and Here the question is to find the average of 5 boys. Now to know the average, I need to divide the sum of height of 5 boys by 5. I'll get 0.8 meter. That is option A.